Hey, and welcome to Bonnyville Gear Grabbers. We're out here at the Bonnyville Regional Airport. Look, planes! And I found the real Wega boys out here from Pierceland representing Saskatchewanites. And they got a couple of cool farm trucks that go real fast. What do you got here, Wiley?
It's a 390 with a 671 blower, about 8 pounds of booze.
Nice. What more do you need?
Yeah.
I used to have a 390 just like this one, so minus the cool part. He's got some headers in there, and system is vacuum advanced like a true racer. Like the wiring jobs. Hey, whatever works, man. Just lets you know that you're using all your horsepower.
That's right.
Nice. Hey, what do we got over here?
68 F100. Got a 460 in it with like dove heads and like they're ported with bigger valves. Got headers on there, just a Edelbrock intake, small cam, nothing special.
Yeah.
Nothing special at all. It just seems to work good.
Hey.
And it doesn't leak.
Well, that's very good. Nah, a little bit around it.
That's just a dipstick tube, that
Oh,
bugger.
Minor seepage.
Minor.
And then it started raining. It rained for 5 whole days. Introducing the fastest hairdryer on the market, the Super High Output Jetpack Blower. Brought to you by Blow Me. And here comes the crazy boy. Now that's relaxing. We got grocery getters, Smurf dusters. Oh wait, there's more. Let's take a look over here at this Mad Max character. I like it. Look at the friggin' tires on that thing. I got some wrinkle-proof friggin' buttons welded on there. That'll do. Nice bodywork. I like it. Is it
Huh? Is this yours?
No, I wish. I wish I had the time for something like that.
No doubt, eh? Look at all the steel in it.
Yeah.
Made in Pakistan. She's an import. I don't know how they snuck that in here. A lot of the steel tubes and exhaust pipes are built right here in Canada for us. Well, you gotta have the afterburners if you're going to run jet engine.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Stay tuned for the CUDA.